Subscribe to Smartphone Tutorials by clicking on the subscribe button, and do remember to click on the notification bell icon to get instant notifications.
Hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. What? You don't want me to talk?
Wait. I like stock ROMs. You like custom ROMs. So we keep quiet. We'll keep the discussion.
So what if you like stock ROMs? Custom ROMs are better than that, and you should know that by now.
No, but then again, I like stock ROMs. You like custom ROMs. So you don't get to speak. At least let me do the intro.
You can do the intro all you like, but most of the people on your channel watch your channel because they like custom ROMs. They want to know how to flash custom ROMs, and that is the reason your channel is doing good. Isn't that the truth, guys?
A few moments later.
Hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. My name is Kailash and we're going to talk which one's better, stock ROM or custom ROM. This guy has a different opinion, I don't. Alright guys, so Android stock 7.1.1 to the left, Android 8.1 custom to the right, that's Omnirom. So right now we are running Omnirom, which is a custom ROM and runs pretty good, but who do you think will win? Stock will win, or well, the custom ROM will win. Most of the times custom ROMs have better optimization, so they end up scoring higher, and both these tests were run in a controlled environment, so that again there's no difference. But then again you can see 172 for OS and 159 for Android 8.1.0 Omnirom, and let's see what Geekbench says. A similar story, so the stock ROM takes the victory there as well. Now this is a speed test here. It's a combination of a few light apps and a few heavy apps. One of them is like Asphalt Extreme. It's a pretty good game with high graphics. There you go. So Omnirom takes the lead there. It loads Asphalt Extreme first and it's already in the lead. We are still waiting on OS to... okay, OS is in the race now. Share it, Instagram, Twitter. Let's see if we can catch up with Omnirom. YouTube, let's load YouTube. We are already on Temple Run on the custom ROM, and okay, we get to Temple Run now. Feedly on the custom ROM. Stock ROM still lagging behind. Okay, there we go. So if you have a look, Omnirom has already started rendering the video clip, and we now reach on Premiere Clip and we'll start to render here as well. Let's fast forward this for you guys. Let's see if OS can catch up. It's catching up, it's catching up. I mean, same phone, just different ROM versions can make so much of a difference, and I've been playing around with different ROMs and I really wanted to see how much of a difference does it really make. Turns out there's not a very huge difference, but definitely there is some difference. Now we get back to the multitasking menu and we are at Temple Run on the custom ROM. Let's see what do we have here. Premiere, Dropbox. Okay. Alright, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, share it. We reach Asphalt, and okay. So OS has it in memory and OS completes the test in 2:52.97, and well, it was leading all the way through in the speed test, and towards the end it had to reload Asphalt Extreme, so I guess it will lose there. Yes, about 6 seconds. So that's quite a difference there between stock ROM and custom ROMs, and you know, those were the benchmark numbers, speed test and everything for you guys. So stock OS is still very fluid, and this was the video for you guys. If you liked the video, like, share and subscribe, and do share your thoughts if you liked the new way of making video which I tried today. And don't forget to look at the description box for the Redmi 5A giveaway. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.